obedient person in Ebonyi State. Don't be so. Anybody who is to move again, Holy God. What we have is to return the good things that the President Bola Tinubu has done for Southeast and for Ebonyi State when the time comes. Don't be so. We will not be deceived again, because the last election was a mistake, but we have come to be wiser. Don't be so. I will not finish naming all that the president is doing for us, but you see the legacy projects. One, all the way from Cross River, coming to Ibe Beach, going through Afipo, going through Abom again, going through Ezra South, going through Ezra North, going through the going through Benue. Tinubu, Kaigesu, Onetete Bonana, Tinubu Kaigesu.
Yes, sir.
And then we are going to be very focused to let our people know that people are backing council without knowledge. We want to be part of a united Nigeria. We want to be treated fairly. We want to be counted.
Enough go vida Dave Umahi, Governor Dave Umahi na ego gara meeting hana gara iriji or Ivo Hazara, Ivo and something like that. Now in their village. He declared that Ebonyi State are not obedient. My dear minister, sir, we are in democracy. We should allow people to vote their choice. We should allow people to have freedom of association, freedom of voting whoever they want to vote, their conscience. We should not infringe on people's fundamental rights. Why would you just come out and declare that Ebonyi State are not obedient? There's no obedience in Ebonyi State. Who said that? Who does that? I might not even be the fan of Peter Obi, but then that does not mean that he don't have right to be voted for or to be campaigned for in your state. And you are not even the governor. We should mind the way we talk because of some selfish political gain. Because you are in the Tinubu's government today does not mean that he might not even drop you tomorrow. This is democracy for Canada. We should stop all these things that you are doing, tyranny or oligarchy, whatever. Allow people to to choose who they want to vote. Peter Obi is an able man. If people want to vote for him, we cannot stop them. We cannot stop them for crying out loud. I will come out and say Ebonyi State belong to Ebonyi State are not obedient. Who said that? Peter Obi have rights. For Canada, he have rights. In whole Nigeria, he have rights to be voted for. Likewise, other candidates. I can even decide to do that I want to contest. I have right to be voted for. That is just it. We are in democracy. You know this. Thank you.